If your regular bind off edge is feeling just a little too tight, then the Icelandic bind off might be the right fit for your project. So let's get started. So this cast off edge is a good mimic for the German twisted cast on, which I have down here. This is a great option for almost anything that you're working on, but I do prefer something even stretchier if you're making something that needs to go over your head or like, the neck of a sweater. Okay, so to start off, we're going to knit one stitch just like normal. Then what we do is we take this stitch and slip it back onto our left hand needle, twisted. Then we're going to go down through the stitch and pick up this second stitch. And don't bring it off the needle, so you have to knit it first, and then you can drop it, both of them off your needle. And now we want to put this stitch twisted back onto our needle, and then we just repeat. So you go in through that stitch and pick up the stitch below and knit into it. And I like a good mnemonic chant to remember some of these things, because when you're first starting off, it can be a little hard to remember. So what I like to say is twist, grab, knit. Twist, grab, knit. And that helps me to remember what I'm doing. And then when you get to the final stitch, you can just snip your yarn and pull through, and then you're done.